Here, I'd like to introduce line tester with POE NF468PT for you. As we can see, the whole set includes a paper cut, a user manual, and a tester. This tester is detect POE presence and identify the standard of power source equipment, and it also can check the continuity of LAN cable and telephone cable. Firstly, I'd like to show how to operate POE part. Here is a LAN cable. Let's insert one end to the POE switch and another end to the POE port on the master. Then we can see number 1 LED is on, which means POE voltage is detected on pins 1, 2, 3, 6. Let's insert the cable into another port of POE switch. We can see number 1 to number 4 LED is on, which means POE voltage is detected on 4 pairs. After POE part, now let's see how to check cable continuity with this item. There is a LAN cable. Let's connect one end into the RJ45 port of the main tester, and another end into the RJ45 port of the remote unit. Then turn on the tester. We can see number 1 to number 8 LEDs on one by one. This indicates the LAN cable is a good one. As for telephone cable, let's use the same method to check its continuity. Put one end into the RJ11's port and another end into the remote RJ11's port. Turn on the tester. Number 3, number 4 LEDs on. That indicates this telephone cable is a good one. Last but most important, please do not contact live cable into this tester, otherwise it would be burned out easily. That's all for tester NF468PT. Thank you.